Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I will show you how you can download it on your PC or laptop. So make sure to watch till the end and follow every step carefully. Let's get started. First, go to the official Steam website that's there and click on Install Steam. Download the setup file and install it on your PC. Once installed, open Steam and log in to create a free account. Now in the search bar, type Getting Over It with Bennett Foddy. Click on the game, then hit Add to Cart and complete your purchase. After that, go to your library and click Install, and that's it. Your game will start downloading automatically. Steam often has sales, so you can grab the game at a big discount during events like Steam Summer Sale or Winter Sale. Another safe option is the Epic Game Store. So you need to go to their website and download the launcher. After installing, log into your account or create a one for free. Search for Getting Over It and add it to your library and click install. You will have the same official version ready to play on your PC or laptop. You can also get Getting Over It from itch.io, which is a trusted indie platform. Just go to that and click on it and click download now. Follow the instructions to purchase or download the demo version if available. It's the same legit version of the game, no risk, no fake files. So do not download tracked or free versions from random websites or torrents. They often contain viruses or malwares that can harm your PC, plus it's illegal. Always download from trusted sources like Steam, Epic, or itch.io. And minimum system requirements are 2.5 GHz dual core processor, 2 GB RAM, 2 GB of free storage, and 4000 HD graphics or better. And that is it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.